Now I'm going to show you how to change the name and icon of a Teamspace in the Notion app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in one of the pages that we have. From here we just go into the top left corner, click on Notion, then we click on Settings. And then in Settings under Workspace we click on Teamspaces. And then we click on the three dots next to the name of the Teamspace that we want to manage. Then we click on Teamspace Settings, and here we click on General. Here we have icon and name. If you click on the name, we can change the name, and if you click on the icon, we can change the icon. And yeah, and that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.